Howdy, friends, and welcome to a journey that'll take us through some of the most breathtaking landscapes, the most beautiful birds, and the most majestic animals ever captured on canvas. We're going to explore the world of art where talented artists have used their brushes to bring the beauty of nature right into our homes. So grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's get started on this wonderful adventure together. This painting, just like a walk in the woods, is a happy little escape. Look at the detail, the delicate feathers, just beautiful. You can almost feel the strength of this animal, peaceful and strong. Chapter 4, painting title, Nature's Palette. The way the artist uses color here, it's like a warm hug from nature itself. Chapter 5, painting title, Capturing Flight. It's like the artist froze time to capture this beautiful moment. Chapter 6, painting title, Wild at Heart. You can see the wild spirit of this animal in its eyes. Chapter 7, painting title, Whispers of Serenity. This painting is so peaceful, it's like listening to nature's heartbeat. Chapter 8, painting title, A Symphony of Feathers. So many birds, each one unique and special, just like our feathered friends. Chapter 9, a painting title, Frozen in Motion. It's amazing how the artist captures the movement, full of life. Chapter 10, painting title, Nature's Perspective. Look at how the artist draws you into the scene, just breathtaking. Chapter 11, painting title, A Kaleidoscope of Colors. These birds are almost singing with color, aren't they beautiful? Chapter 12, painting title, Textures of the Wild. You can almost feel the fur, the feathers, so real. Chapter 13, Nature's Elements. The trees, the water, it all comes together in perfect harmony. Chapter 14, Avian Harmony. The way the birds are arranged, it's like a beautiful dance. Chapter 15, A Glimpse into the Wild. This painting tells a story, a moment captured in time. Chapter 16, painting title, Nature's Mood. This painting evokes such a feeling of peace, don't you think? Chapter 17, painting title, Where Birds Take Flight. The background, the setting, it all adds to the beauty. Chapter 18, painting title, Every Detail Matters. The artist's attention to detail is incredible, a true masterpiece. Chapter 19, a painting title, Light and Shadow Play. The way the light hits the scene, it creates such depth. Chapter 20, painting title, Wings at Rest. Whether in flight or at rest, birds always inspire us. In Chapter 21, painting title, Expressions of Nature. Look at the eyes of this animal, you can see its soul. Chapter 22, a painting title, Seasons of Change. This painting captures the essence of the season, don't you think? Chapter 23, painting title, Avian Habitat. The artist transports us to the bird's home, a beautiful place. Chapter 24, painting title, Celebrating Diversity. So many different animals, all living together in harmony. Chapter 25, Nature's Tapestry. The composition, the balance, it's all perfectly arranged. Chapter 26, Feathered Friendships. Birds interacting, it's a reminder of the beauty of connection. Chapter 27, Capturing Motion. You can almost feel the wind in the animal's fur. Amazing! Chapter 28, painting title, A Dance of Light. The way the artist uses light and color, it's magical. Chapter 29, painting title, A Unique Perspective. Every artist has their own way of seeing the world, and it shows. Chapter 30, painting title, Home Sweet Habitat. This painting shows the animals in their natural element. Chapter 31, painting title, Finding Tranquility. This scene just makes you want to take a deep breath and relax. Chapter 32, painting title, Feathery Details. The artist captures every little detail just like a happy little accident. Chapter 33, painting title, Nature in Action. It's like watching a nature documentary, but on canvas. Chapter 34, painting title, Inspired by Nature. You can feel the artist's love for nature in every brushstroke. Chapter 35, painting title, A Rainbow of Feathers. These birds are dressed to impress, aren't they something? Chapter 36, painting title, Almost Lifelike. You'd almost think this painting was a photograph, so real. Every element in this landscape works together to create a masterpiece. The way the bird interacts with its surroundings, it's fascinating. The artist's skill is truly remarkable, a joy to behold. Chapter 40, painting title, Depth and Wonder. This painting draws you in, makes you feel like you're right there. Chapter 41, painting title, Graceful Movements. The bird's posture, its movement, it's also graceful. Chapter 42, painting title, A Familiar Place. This habitat looks so inviting, a place to escape to. Chapter 43, Harmony on Canvas. Everything in this painting is in perfect balance, so peaceful. Chapter 44, The Feathered Features. The artist captures the bird's personality in its features. Chapter 45, Realism at its finest. This painting could almost fool you, it's that realistic. Chapter 46, painting title, A Play of Light. The way the light dances across the canvas, just beautiful. Chapter 47, painting title, A Bird's World. This painting gives us a glimpse into the world of birds. The interaction between these animals, it's heartwarming. This scene just radiates peace and tranquility, don't you agree? The bird's natural behavior captured beautifully on canvas. Well, friends, we've come to the end of our journey through the wonderful world of nature paintings. I hope you've enjoyed seeing these masterpieces as much as I have. Remember, there's a whole world of beauty out there just waiting to be discovered. So keep your eyes open, your heart light, and maybe, just maybe, you'll be inspired to pick up a brush and create your own happy little masterpiece.